Hi everyone, my name is Winstar from Noble Interior Design. So today here we are at a 4-room HDB at Green Foliage, and the homeowners actually came to me with the idea of having a monochromatic home with a very dark theme. So here we are, let's check it out. So when you first enter from the main door, the first thing you'll see is the flooring. For the flooring, we've selected large format tiles. Large format tiles are helpful. You see less grout lines, you will enlarge the space visually, and also practically it will be less maintenance, less cleaning for the grout lines. Once you come in from the main door, you will see that there's this huge shoe cabinet space. So it creates ample storage. And other thing you will notice in the house is that we've added a lot of mirrors. Some details in the mirrors here, a big slab mirror at the opposite side of the dining table, as well as right behind the sofa. So with these mirrors, what it helps is that it visually helps you enlarge the space. It reflects more light and the space wouldn't feel so claustrophobic. We've also added some lighting at the bottom, so this adds some practical illumination, especially when you're at night. You don't want to have too bright lights from the top, so this creates some ambiance and sufficient lighting when you're home and you just want to chill. And when we do monochromatic and dark themed home, what you want to achieve is some kind of balance. You wouldn't want the whole place to be too dark and too dim. So as you can see, there are certain light colored theme over here as well, light colored walls, light colored ceiling. All this will help to reflect more light to enlarge the space as well. And coming into the dining area, what you can see over here is the big slab mirror, which helps to enlarge the entire space, and an elongated countertop space where they can put their food here when they want to serve their guests, etc. And coming into the kitchen, you can see that there's really a very long countertop space, and this particular height is specifically put at 900 mm so that the washer and dryer can be hidden beneath. The kitchen also coherent to the entire theme, where it's dark and monochromatic. And what we've done here is that we've purposefully placed all the tall cabinets on one side, and on the other side is just a plain wall. This helps in allowing more light coming in to fill up the space. And as you can see here as well, what we've done is that we've added shelving over here instead of like the top cabinet throughout, because this helps to visually make the space less chunky as well. And over here we've added lighting at the bottom. It actually also adds to the whole very comfortable and warm feel to it instead of turning on the lights from the top. And as you come into the bathrooms, you can see that the floor tiles and the wall tiles are selected to be the same with a homogeneous look to it. This helps to expand the visual space of this bathroom. For those of you who are also looking at using dark colored paint for your walls, here's something for you to take note is that for dark colored paint, you've got to be very careful. So if you're walking and you accidentally hit on it, or if you're moving any furniture, hit on it, it will potentially have a mark over there, and it's very visible and it's very obvious. And touching up of dark colored paint can be quite troublesome as well, because if you were to patch this small area, you will see that there's different color tones as well. So usually when we're doing dark colored paint, if there's any blemish on one particular wall, technically the whole wall got to be repainted. So here's something for you to take note. So here's the end of the video. Hope you're gaining some insights and got some inspiration, especially if you're looking at doing some monochromatic dark themed home. So wait for our next video. See you.